to do, to make, easy, to try, difficult. Sarah loves to make cakes because she thinks it's very easy, but she doesn't like to do the homework because she thinks it's difficult. She needs to try doing things with more dedication.
Sarah loved to make cakes because she thought it was very easy, but she didn't like to do the homework because she thought it was difficult. She needed to try doing things with more dedication.
Tom will try to make his own website. It won't be difficult. In fact, it will be very easy. But he will have to do a lot of research to make a good work.
If Tom tried to make his own website, it wouldn't be difficult. In fact, it would be very easy. But he would have to do a lot of research to make a good work.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our content, click the like button and subscribe to our channel.